Hi everyone! Today, I will recite first 20 vocabularies of forest genetics and tree improvement. Number 1 is abiogenesis, the doctrine that living things originated from non-living matter. Number 2 is acquire character, is the alternation in function from and for and form resulting from a response to environment and is not heritable. Number 3 is additivity. The basics from most quantitative inheritance theory and for most breeding efforts. Number 4 is affinity. The similarities between entities in regard to orthological traits. Number 5 is albino, is an individual characterized by the presence of pigment. Number 6 is allele, an array of genes possible for certain position on a given chromosomes. Then number 7 is allopolyploidy. Is a ploidy in which sets of chromosomes are derived from different plants, parent of plants, generally not closely related. Then number 8 is ancestry. Refers to those members of past generation and it is which are related to any given species or descents. Then number 9 is aneuploidy, is the variation of chromosomes number and by whole chromosomes but not less than the entire sets. The number 10 is anisogamy, asexual reproduction involving gametes similar in morphology but differing in size. Number 11 is artificial selection is the result of conscious breeding of plants by man for the goal of improving forest crops. The number 12 is asexual reproduction, is any process of reproduction that does not involve fusion of cell. 13 is backcross breeding, a system of breeding whereby recurrent backcross are made one of the parents of hybrid accompanied by the selection of specific character. 14 is binary fission, is a type of reproduction whereby in a single-celled organisms divides into two theoretically equal parts. Then 15 is biogenesis, is the doctrine that living things originated only from pre-existing living things. Then 16 is bisexual plant, is a plant having both male and female sexual reproduction structure on one individual. 17 is breeding arboretum, refers to all single selected trees or species established for breeding one individual. Then 18 is character, an attribute of an organism. of an organism resulting from the interaction of genes with the environment. Then 19 is character displacement, is a process of genetic diversity of two or more species which when they come into contact. 20 is chromatid, is appertains to one of the two identical longitudinal halves of a chromosomes which shares a common centromere.